The first item is to consider approving a contract between Mesa County and Comfort Air of Grand Junction for the Mesa County Justice Center rooftop unit, RTU replacement project in the amount of $2,223,684, and authorize the chair to sign. Alan Simpkins, Facilities Director, and Lincoln Staka, Project Manager, to present. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you. Lincoln Stocky, Project Manager, Mesa County. So this item is for the replacement of the rooftop units over at the Justice Center. They're all original equipment. The building was built in 2000, so we're approaching 27 years in service. Average lifespan of these units is around 20 years. And at this point, it's becoming more and more difficult to source materials and parts for repairs. We've been able to keep them running fairly well up to this point. But given the nature of the building, there's 4 units, 4 floors. So if one unit goes down, then we're left with a floor without air conditioning or heating. So we decided to hedge our bets and go out and try and design a system to replace all 4 rooftop units. So we partnered with Bighorn Construction here in town to help us design a system that would work with our current building. And that kind of gave us a consistent scope of work to bid against. We nationally advertised on BidNet and received a few contractors to come to our walkthrough, our mandatory walkthroughs. I answered some questions, and after internal review and some contractor interviews, we deemed that Comfort Air was the best value for Mesa County, not only price-wise, but given their past performance. They've worked on some pretty critical jobs for us in the past, so we feel pretty confident with them. And I'd like to answer any questions that you guys have.
Okay, commissioners, do you have any questions or comments on this item?
It looks like the RTU number 3 was originally an alternative. Why was that added? Why was that an alternative to begin with and then added in the end?
Sure. We weren't sure that we had the budget for all 4 units at the time. 3 was deemed the most capable of lasting a couple more years. But Comfort Air was pretty reasonable in their price, and we ended up having the budget to take care of all 4.
Yeah, good. And it seems like we got a pretty good amount of years out of the last 4 units.
Yes, yeah.
What do you think we'll get out of these units? What's the expected life, and what's the warranty on the units?
So industry standard is 20 years for their life cycle. I apologize, I don't have warranty information right now, but I can definitely make it available.
Okay. And then do you know why we only got 1 bid on the project?
Sure. Well, when we had our mandatory walkthrough, we had 2 contractors come through. They both asked questions, which is all part of our bid process. They were both local. It was Comfort Air and GMMI. When it came time to actually submit proposals, Comfort Air was the only one that submitted a reasonable proposal. So.
Okay. And I'll just add for the record, I have a business relationship with Comfort Air, but I'm taking the recommendation of staff this morning, and there's no conflict, and I believe they did a good job with the procurement process, and so I'll take your guys' recommendation this morning.
Thank you. I have no questions.
Okay, does anyone in the audience have any questions or comments on this item? Okay, seeing none, I'll entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries 3-0.